From Hygiene Australia, compressed air foam quality without the requirement of external air supply. To operate the foamer, please ensure that the air release valve is in the closed position. Then unscrew and remove the air pump from inside the vessel. Now fill the vessel with the foaming detergent diluted to the recommendations by Hygiene Australia. Ensure that you only fill the vessel to approximately halfway. This allows room in the vessel to store air for foaming later. Prior to reinserting the pump, ensure that the handle is locked into the keyways. Insert the pump, double check the air release valve is closed, and screw the pump closed, ensuring that it is tight so that no air can escape. Now operate the pump as many times as possible to create compressed air. Once you have sufficient air stored, pick up the pump by the handle and start foaming. Continue foaming until the surface that needs cleaning is covered completely by a film of foam, and don't forget the out of sight areas. And there you have it, the pump up foamer from Hygiene Australia.